The next exercise will be exercise for the major scale. Major scale. So we will show first the C major scale because that is the most easy. So please follow the correct finger format. So that is for one complete octave. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now, if you want to do it with 2 or more octave, this is how to do it. Backward. Okay, then we'll do it more slowly to show. Then cross it here. Cross again. Cross. Cross. And backward. Cross over. Cross over. Cross over. Cross over. Okay, now we will do it for the left hand. So this is the correct finger. Backward. Doing it with 2 or more octave. Now I will do it with both hands. So this is difficult. Now, that's for the C major scale. How about other key? Okay, we show for the D. This is for the D. So every time you do it to the right, do it also to your left. Now this is for the E major. Now for the F major, this is more easy. You will only use the 4 fingers. Now key of G. For key of A. Key of B.